Hey guys, Portia here, and I am excited because I have partnered with LokLiK to bring to you all their brand new iEngraver with the cover. I got a laser, y'all. So I've been looking into getting a laser for a very long time, but I will tell you, I was intimidated. Like, do I really need a laser cutter in the house? Like, if you're a small business owner or even a hobbyist, it is great for business and gifts alike. So there will be a discount in the description if you are interested in purchasing one for yourself. It is going to be good through July. Now, I wanted to start with assembly because getting started can sometimes be intimidating. I want to show you guys how easy it is to get started, and then once you got it fully assembled, you can literally get to cutting, get to engraving the very same day. I will follow this video up with the full review, so I'll share with you all my thoughts, my experiences, as well as show you different things that I was able to engrave and cut as far as the various materials. So let's go and jump right in to see how the machine is actually assembled. And there you have it, guys. The machine itself was very easy to assemble. Again, I was a bit intimidated, anxious about even getting started, but I hope that I have helped you guys lean toward making the decision to purchase. And once again, there is a discount code in the description. Now, be sure to have your notifications on so you'll know when I drop the full review. Other than that, if you got any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found the video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a like? But guys, stay colorful, stay creative, and always find joy in the little things you do. Until next time, peace.